Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In this video, we're going to share with you a calculation measurement that's going to help find your dead center drill points when installing drawer pulls or door pulls. And this is going to alleviate having to go out and buy that obnoxiously big jig. You don't want that, because once you're done with the install, what are you going to do with that thing? It's just going to be clutter in your garage or wherever else in your house. All right, YouTubers, in the kitchen now, and that is the drawer we are going to install our pull. In a previous video, we used a precision guide tool to install knobs. In the event that you want step-by-step guidance on how to find your drill points, definitely check out the video scrolling above. It will definitely be helpful. However, in this video, again, we're going to install a pull. So the very first thing you want to do is take your pull and measure the screw holes. And from left to right, in our case, is exactly 3 inches. And that's important because that is a measurement that we will use first. Using your measure tape, go all the way to the left-hand side, and you can see exactly 3 inches. I made a mark right there. Now, come all the way to the opposite side, and we want to measure from the right edge to that 3-inch marking. And it comes out to 10 1/4. So let's use that 10 1/4 and divide it by 2. What is 10 1/4 divided by 2? That becomes 5 1/8. So go back to your far right side and measure in 5 1/8. And as you can see there, I have made my marking at 5 1/8. Go ahead and flip your measuring tape around, go to the far left, and make your 5 1/8 marking for the left point. So now we've got our dead center markings from left to right. Now we have to figure out from top to bottom. Next, this part's a little different. We are not going to measure from the very top. We're actually going to measure from this little top indent or lip there and go all the way down to the bottom portion. And it is exactly 4 1/2. What is 4 1/2 divided by 2? That becomes 2 1/4. From that point there, once again, come down 2 1/4. And make your marking there. You'll come all the way to the right drill hole, and you'll do the same thing from that lip there down to 2 1/4. As you can see right there, make your marking. After you make those 2 markings, you have your exact dead center drill points. Let's go grab our drill. All right, grab my Craftsman drill, and in most cases, standard pull screw holes are 11/64. However, take a look at your package or instructions. Your screw hole may be a different size. Get it right on your drill point, and once you get it perfectly set on that drill point, I want you to apply a little bit of pressure to make an indent in that wood, and that's going to alleviate your drill bit from sliding, slipping, or roaming once you start drilling. And after making that indent, slowly begin drilling and drill all the way through. Over to the right hole. Again, do your absolute best to find that exact point. Once you find it, apply the pressure, make the indent, and drill the hole. At this point, you've got your perfect dead center holes. Now let's go grab the vacuum and clean that up. After vacuuming it up, go ahead and insert your screws. And now your screws are through, grab your pull and secure your screws. After securing those screws, take a look at your pull and you will see it is dead center in that drawer. And now what I can do is grab my eraser and erase that 3-inch marking that we first made. And after that, you're all done.